You sit down after a long day. You want to just turn on a console and play. No setup headaches, no compatibility issues, just games. That is exactly what the PS5 Slim promises. But is it actually worth buying right now? Link is in the description. So what can this console actually handle? AAA gaming scores a 9.6. Spider-Man 2, God of War, the exclusive library on PS5, is genuinely one of the best in console history, and the Slim runs all of it flawlessly. 4K gaming with ray tracing sits at 9.2. Visuals are stunning on a good TV. Casual and family gaming scores an 8.8. Easy to pick up and play. Where it takes a hit is as a media center. That scores a 7.1. It works, but a dedicated streaming device does it better for less money. Daily performance now. Loading speed scores a 9.5. The SSD is still one of the fastest in any console, and games load in seconds, not minutes. The DualSense controller scores a 9.3. The haptic feedback and adaptive triggers are still the best controller experience in gaming. Noise level score an 8.7. Noticeably quieter than the original PS5, which was a real issue for some people. Storage, though, only scores a 7.2 to 1 terabyte, fills up fast with modern game sizes, and you'll be managing storage constantly. User experience. Game library scores a 9.7. This is honestly one of the strongest arguments for the PS5 Slim. The exclusive lineup is unmatched. The smaller, lighter design scores a 9.1. It is a meaningful improvement over the original bulky model. UI and system software scores an 8.6, clean and fast. The disk drive being sold separately on the digital edition scores a 6.8. That feels like a money grab, and it is worth paying for the disk version up front. Who is this actually for? First-time PS5 buyers score a 9.8 match. If you have never owned a PS5, this is the version to get. Existing PS4 owners looking to upgrade score a 9.5. But original PS5 owners only score a 5.2. The improvements are real, but not significant enough to justify the cost of switching. Final verdict. The game library and SSD speed are still class-leading. Storage and the detachable disk drive are the honest frustrations. Overall, this scores a 9.0 out of 10 on the CineTech Real Use rating. If you do not own a PS5 yet, stop waiting. Best deal link is right in the description. See you in the next one.